Good. I've magically forged a letter from General Tullius. This should do the trick. All right, then.
Out with it.
Greetings, Commander. I am a Thalmor Justiciar on important business.
Yes? What is it?
I have an urgent message from General Tullius requesting the cooperation of the Penitus Oculatus in assisting the Thalmor.
You expect me to believe that?
We have uncovered a plot involving a powerful mage who has been commissioned to assassinate the Emperor. Given the mage's exceptional skill in the Altmer School of Illusion, the Legion cannot apprehend him without our aid. Here is the General's missive. See for yourself.
What's this now? By the gods, I don't even know what to say.
We don't know who hired him, so he must be captured alive. In order to accomplish this, we must set up magical traps in advance at his likely points of arrival that can reveal his position. Hence, we are in need of access to the Emperor's travel schedule.
I see. Here, this is for you.
Thank you, Commander. Your contribution is most appreciated.
Good luck out there.
To be frank, that was a bit underwhelming. Following the White Gold Concordat, we have disposed the majority of the Empire's skilled commanders, thus rendering many of our once arduous tasks tediously effortless. Nevertheless, this is a delightful outcome, and we will use this information to keep an eye on the Emperor's contacts in Skyrim. Thank you for your assistance. As a token of my gratitude, I offer you this item. It bears a useful enchantment you can disenchant to learn new arcane insights. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Yes?